Hello students, good morning to everyone. Today our class, max class, that is today we are going to see about some problems in addition. Okay va? Okay. So in additionல object use பண்ணி போடுறோம். Already நம்ம additionsல பார்த்திருக்கோம். இல்லையா my dears? Yes. So today then some pictures are gave for your no. So we are going to count and then write it. Then after then right side of the equal to we are going to write the sum of the two numbers. Okay va my dears? Okay. In the first left side, how many apples are there? We are going to count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many apples are there, ma? We count it having the total 6. Okay. Then the right side moving count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here also how many apples we have in the counting number 7. Okay, so after the equal to we are using the plus, that is symbol we called plus, no, that is in a addition symbol. Yes or no, my dears? Yes, that is in a addition symbol plus. So plus means we are going to combine together. Okay, yes. So we are going to add those two objects now. Okay, so totally we are going to count it 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then after 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So how many apples in total we have it now? 13. So right side we adding the number, write the number, answer 13. Good. So shall we move to next one, ma? That is an bottle God gave, no? So how many pictures are there? We are going to count it. Start counting, my dears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are adding the total 5. Okay. So write it in the box. Answer 5. In right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many answers are there, ma? 6. Okay. So after in the right side, so we are going to add those two given objects. Okay. So and from the beginning you are going to add both the two things now. So count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so both the given two objects we are going to adding put together. Answer as we got it 11. Okay, good. And next one, that is cherry. Okay, so how many cherries are there in first box now? Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many in total having? In a left side group of objects 6. Okay, and next right side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many objects in there, ma? 8. Okay, okay. The next in the total objects we are going to count or putting together both of them, left and right, both of them we are going to adding together. So from the beginning you are going to count it now. Start counting, my dears. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So how many objects we have in total, ma? 14. So in a right side box you are going to write answer 14. Okay, yes. In last row, that is in a which objects gave? Pineapple. Yes, my dears, pineapple is given. Now let's start going to count it, ma. Yes, start counting in a first group of objects, no? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in a left side first group of objects having how many numbers? 8. Okay. The next thing, right side adding, ma. Okay, count that now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh, no confusion. Right side also you having how many things? 8. Okay, both of them having equal value 8. Okay, no need, don't worry. Okay, so the next after the equal to right side you are going to write the sum of the two groups. Okay my dears, yes. So that's why you are going to start from the beginning. Right, counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So how many in total ma? 16. Okay, 16. Okay, so all of you clear in this four groups of objects, all of you? Yes, I hope well all are understand in the group of objects adding using with the pictures. Yes dears, yes cuties, yes. Okay, the next thing, this worksheet shows given the diagrams also, and after you counted right no, and finally you are going to write the sum of the two numbers. You write the answer here. Yes ds, yes. Okay, we are going to count it now. First in left side, first group of objects, how many balls are there? Blue ball 1 2 3. There in the first dash you had to write 3. Okay, yes. In after the plus symbol, right side, how many blue balls are there? 1 2. So on the right side 2. Then equal to means you are going to adding those two group of objects. So counted from the beginning as well as in the first worksheet. A start counting 1 2 3 4 5. As how many balls are there ma? 5 balls. We write it. Yes, my dears? Yes. Okay, goodies. The next one. Next, no. How many green balls are there in first group? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many green balls are there, ma? 4. Okay. In a right side, in second group, how many green balls are there? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. So, how many green balls are there? 3. Okay. In after the equal to symbol, we are going to add both of the two groups. So, that's why we are going to count from the two groups. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, how many in total we have, ma? 7 green balls are there. Okay, yes. Then next one, they giving the counting no. Okay, so we are going to draw the objects in two groups. In first is an first object, and second number is a second group. Yes, my dears. Yes. So we are going to draw the two objects. Shall I put a dash for easy? No. Yes. So here the number 4 is having. So in a first step you are going to draw 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. In the right side, how many balls you are going to draw? Yes, goodies. Good. How many balls? Only 2 balls. Then after the equal to symbol, you are going to add those two groups. Okay. Yes. So once counted ma. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6. So how many total balls you are having? 6. You are going to write the answer 6. Okay. S. So the next as well as how many balls are that? How many balls are that? You are going to count it 1, 2, 3. So you are going to write it in first column, first dash. You write it 3. Then second 1, 2. Then second 1, 2. We are going to both of them to add. Both of them to add. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many in total? 5 balls are there. Then next 3 plus 5. So you are going to draw with a 2 dash 3 balls and 5 balls, and after that you are going to add them. Okay, DS. Okay. So this last one for also homework for you. Okay? Okay, my dears. The next one, these things for your homework. Okay, cuties. I hope well all are understand in this section. That is addition of two given objects and also count the objects and write them. Then after find the sum, write in the box. Yes or no, my dears? Good. This you completed. This also you completed. This for this third worksheet for your homework now. I send the image in our WhatsApp groups. So you have to complete it. Then after completion, you have to send in your homework image in our WhatsApp group. Okay, cuties? Okay. Thank you.